Hello children, how are you? I hope you must be good and taking care of yourself. Now children, for the English conversation class, today I will be doing lesson number 13. That is expressing obligation. Now lesson number 13 is the last chapter of our conversation, and I hope you are taking your conversation class also very seriously and trying to make an attempt to speak in English with your friends, your family members, so that you can improve yourself. I told you previously in my previous video that we learn through unless we do the practice. Without practice, we cannot become perfect in anything. So, if you want to learn how to speak in English fluently, you have to practice. Now coming back to lesson number 13, expressing obligation. Now children, you know the meaning of expressing. Expressing means to show it, to show someone by your action. Like suppose if you are angry, so and how you don't want to say verbally, you don't want to convey verbally to the other person that you are angry with her or him. So through your action, you make the other person realize that you are annoyed over him. So through what you do when she talks, yes, very dry form way you talk, right? So the other person come to know that my friend is angry with me. The reason you don't know. So your friend then tries to contact you and ask you why you are angry with me, right? So expressing is to show yourself, your feelings, your emotions through your action, right? So now obligation. The word obligation, I know you are very well heard about this word, oblige, obligation, right? So obligation is an act or course of action to which a person is morally or legally bounded, to make a commitment. Now, if somebody helps you out, you are in need of notes book because you have not made any and you have to submit it. Someone, so suppose XYZ helps you out. So that person is helping you out when nobody came forward to help you. Like even your close friend or even your friends, they never came forward, but XYZ, he came forward or she came forward to help you out. So you will be under her obligation, you will be obliged. Yes, this person is not my friend, but when I was in need of help, this person stood for me and helped me out. So obligation means, right? Obligation means an action or course of action to which a person is morally, right? Morally or legally bound. So you will never forget the person's help, and you will always you will be under her obligation or under his obligation. You will be bounded by the help she has or he has given you when you needed it. Now let's read the conversation given in this book, page number 116. Now listen to each of the conversation below. Notice how the speaker wants the listener to do something in each of them. How the listener is wanting the speaker wanting the listener to do something, right? Now this boy, Mohit, did you like program conducted by Spice Max? yes, Daniel, it was amazing. You must watch its telecast. Then again Mohit is answering, I heard there was some problem among the students. Now this is the conversation like the Mohit is throwing not Mohit. Daniel is throwing. This boy's name is Daniel. Daniel is throwing to Mohit. Nothing serious really. It was just that Ajay felt that Rakesh should have taken care of the lights as he was busy with the sound system. Right. Now the girl is asking, Ajay, what happened at the Spice Mac venue? Nothing, Priya. It was a minor fluff between Rakesh and me. Right. So this is the way like he is doing the conversation to make it feel to express the obligations. Now over here in the next page 117, but Mihir thought you should have told the principal about it. It was no issue. We ought not to go running to the principal for silly issues. Hey Ajay, it was very well organized event. I really enjoyed it. Now the second girl is coming and saying, praising Rakesh for Ajay, who was told by 1, 2, 3 people that the error which he made while he was making arrangement for the show, that is the light system. But the fourth person came. She encouraged Ajay by saying that it was well organized event. Thank you, Geeta. We tried our best. Hey, come on. What are you so upset about? Some people were unhappy. Must we always try to please everyone? Now, this girl is trying to encourage him because he was quite depressed, because whoever person is coming across is passing some remark or the other for one small mistake which he did, was that about the light system. Right? Yes, you are right. I ought to have just asked them to do all the work. That would have shut them up. So then he realized that instead of doing all the work alone, I should have, since I was the organizer, convener, so I should have given the work to all the people to do the work instead of him taking charge of everything. That is why when he never gave the work to others to do it, so that is why all the people are pointing out to him. So that is why he said that this is a nice way to shut their mouth. Now the fifth person comes. Hey Ajay, must I go to drop the artist at the airport? Yes, Simon, I think we should go. It is our responsibility. Ajay, you ought to come to the airport too. After all, you are the main person working behind the scene. Now again the fifth person boy comes and he encouraged Ajay by saying that you are the main person for all the show event that has taken place. He is giving the credit to Ajay. Now let's look over here the meaning. One of the way in which we express obligation is by using whenever. So note over here, children, that whenever we are expressing an obligation, we should use should, ought to, have. Right? These are the two words we should often use. Should and ought to have. Now next line, he should have told me if he wasn't coming. Now children, you have a CD at the end of the book. Listen to the conversation and complete over here these sentences. Complete these sentences. on your own. Now next children, I have always told you about the tone. Tone means the way you talk, you speak. Sometimes low, sometimes high, the pitch of your voice. Right? We sometimes rise while talking. When we are talking, we raise our volume, our voice. So rising tone we call. Rising, R-I-S-I-N-G, rising tone. And as I told you, it is always denoted like this. Low tone, low tone. It is always denoted like this. Now rising tone is when we are angry, when we are excited, or when we are happy. Then we use rising tone. Right? And when do we use low tone? When we are depressed, or when we are casual, or when our mood is very low. Then we speak, our tone is low. And rising tone and low tone is when is called modulation of voice. Like to module, high pitch, low pitch. When you sing also, there is a pitch, high pitch, low pitch, medium pitch. Right? When you talk also, then too we have to keep in mind about the tone. High tone, low tone, medium tone, like that. So often like you have seen that when you are doing dramas and all, when you have to be very careful. Next, when you are taking part in debate, so ma'am trains you how to speak. Like when to raise your voice to show your anger, when to speak low to express your sadness or your depression, or you are casual about it. Right? So we have to be very careful with the way of talking about the pitch. So children, in this sentence, these are the sentence. You can speak to yourself, stand in front of the mirror, speak to yourself, and the way the arrow is showing, you speak in that way. Like I am doing it when are you leaving for Kerala? Now over here you are talking in a normal voice, or either you are depressed. So when are you leaving for Kerala? So you can either say, if you are depressed, you are not happy by the person leaving for Kerala, you say on Monday in a low pitch, in a average pitch, like tone. But if you can, if the other person is very excited to go to Kerala, then they can say on Monday, on Monday. So next number 2, how are you going? By train. So this is the way, like when you are happy to you speak. Like when I ask you question, if the teacher asks you question, and you know it, you quickly raise your hand, and what you say, you get up and say loudly, proudly, yes, I know the answer. So in the same way, like when you are talking, you have to be very careful while you are talking. You have to control your voice while talking. Shouting makes person irritated, right? There are ways to express your your talks and make it impressive. Now, next over here, sometimes we ask question or suggestion, a possible answer ourselves given before the listener replies. We do this because we want to make sure if the information you know is in fact correct. We usually use a falling tone of this, right? So again in the next page also it is the same thing. We have to pay attention towards your pitch, your tone, as well as when you are expressing your obligation. What are the 2 words that I told you to use? That is should and ought to. These are the 2 words which we have to use it. Now next is, turn to page number 120. Again you have to listen and write the name of the pitch. For the falling tone you will write R. No. write F in the fill in the blanks for the falling tone, R for the rising tone, and FR for the rising and low tone. Try to do it on your own. Well, I'll be also attaching the PDF of it, but first do it on your own so that you see whether you will come to know whether you have understood what exactly the meaning of tones. Now next come to page number 20, the last part, right? Last part, it is a listen to the dialogue and fill the missing information. Do you pay do you pay your exam fees? Mrs. Quran should have paid the examination fees. Why was Kavya upset? Kavya felt that Mihir should have paid the treat. Should have paid the treat. Why did Kamlesh allow Urvi to make the presentation when she had worked so hard on it? Right. Now Arjun is replying, Kamlesh felt that she must allow Urvi to make the presentation as Urvi's father pays for her education. Now Priya, your mother is waiting for you. Tanya, I must run. I'll better not be late. Why are you sitting here doing nothing? Then Rupa is saying, do you think I ought to be studying all the time? Sanjay, the neighbors are complaining about the music. Udvesh is saying, we'd better turn the volume down. Now over here, this is a suggestion given. So when you give the suggestion, your tone should be low. Here children, what you learn, that when the suggestion is given, tone of the talking should be low. Now again, there is a drill part. So there should be 2 peer partners so that you can have the conversation in this part. So here you can see. So children, what you do with your brother or your sister, you can sit and do the conversation. In this way, you will learn how to modulate your voice, how to talk in fluency, as well expressing your face, your body, your hand while you are talking. And one more thing, keep it in mind, if you want to learn, just stand before the mirror and talk. Talk to yourself, you will know how to express yourself and how your volume is being controlled. So that's it. I hope you must have understood, children. Take care and study very hard. Have a good day.